approximately 13. It can fluctuate based on your age, but mostly this. So start with the sequence. Compulsory is there for all the, this will be there. All the colleges will cover it up anyway. Even if it is not started, they will have to do this step. Like a sequence means they will give you some kind of formula, whatever in terms of n. Okay, so what you have to do is start putting the values of n as natural numbers. N always starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, and whatever value you get, when you put them in the line, that is called as a sequence. Okay, just put one value after another, so that is will be the sequence. So no definition, nothing to by heart. Only the question which can come based on that is question number, like how one is there. Page number 13. Huh? Find the first four terms. Find the first four terms. Means what you have to put n as 1, 2, 3, and 4 over here and calculate the values. So start putting n as 1 first, calculate a1. Put n as 2, calculate 8. N is 3. Last is 8. Calculate the right answers. So sequence is nothing but just putting the value of n as a natural numbers. It keeps continuing, but since they have told first four terms, so we have to find only the first four terms. Calculate. Put the value of n is. So wherever there is n, put 1. And write them in the sequence. That's all. Same way now do the second one. Minus 1 raised to 0 is anyways 1. Minus 1 square is 1. 125 into 5. It's 25. Sorry. And 5 plus 3, 2 to 5. No. 3, 4 this time. 5, 5 are 25. 5, 10, 12. 3, 1, no? Then write it in the sequence form. So 25 minus 125 is 25. This is called as a sequence. It's like a pattern which is going. So clear first question. Okay, second one. Now they are told your first four term. Now only the indicated term you have to find. Find A7 they have told. So N you have to put as 7 and calculate the answer. Second question, find the indicated terms of each sequence. The first one is given as n square upon 2 raised to n, and you have to find A7. A7 means value of n you have to put as 7. Two you multiply 7 times. 128, no? Now calculate done. Then multiplying it. Find the first four terms of the sequence. So you have to find A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 already dila. A1 is given as already -1. Now we have to find the remaining ones. N is greater than equals to 2. A1 है तो -1. So whenever n you are using as 2, 3, 1 already odila. इतुन वहाँ galop na. N will start directly from 2 now. So here A1 already we know. So now you start putting the values of n from 2. So first put n equals to 2 in this. Then put n equals to 3 and put n equals to 4 and calculate the answer. Now it is not directly a of n minus 1. Huh? This is an. This minus 1 is separate. Oh, side na. Again minus 1. This is different. It is not like this. It is like this. This and huh? Oh. Now when you put minus 1 na ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಾಳೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ maybe there because 2 again will not be able to find. No, it must be like this only. So that when you put 1 then already you know this value. Make it like this, huh? N minus 1. Otherwise you will not be able to find a value. You will get stuck with a equals to 2 there. Put a n as 2. n number 2 galai. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. You'll end up getting this. But a is how much? A1 minus 1. So this is your A2. Now find A3. In this formula, A2 the minus half upon 3. Now how to solve this? This is like fraction upon fraction. So ulta it will go. Minus half into 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 6 you should get. Minus 1 by ulta. Erase this. Substitution what you did? I got minus 2. Yeah, you made a mistake. This is not minus. This doesn't come directly up. This is already a fraction. You have to take it as upon 1. And then make it 1 by 3. Here, 3 you don't take directly up. This is already A upon B. So this you have to take as C upon D. And then make it ulta. That next series beta, those are already solving. Fourth one, here started, it is like this. One term is missing over there. This is minus 2 by 3. This is the sequence minus. Here I wrote ulta. Sorry. Yeah. Minus 1 by 20. Sorry. This is correct. Question number 4. Add this term, it is missing in the notes. A of n minus 2 plus A of n minus 1 it is. Some kind of series, it is special series they have given. Contour Fibonacci we can. Anyways, we have nothing to do with Fibonacci. We have to just get the answer. Or maybe something else also it is pronoun. God knows. Doesn't matter. Anyways, we don't have orals in maths. Good. So let's. N greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5 I think albach. Already A1 dilamka we got. आता आमका कोण सोदपा जाय like these values you have to find. For n equals to 1, 2, 3. In 1 जाल्यार किती येतलो? A of 2 upon A of 1 येतलो. My last number is A of 5. A of 5, A5, N5 जाल्यार किती जातलो? 5 plus 1, A6. So up till A6 values you have to find and give. So using this formula, find up till A6 first. So A1, A2 we got. So find A3, A4, A5, A6. So take this formula now. These are already given. So two values we already got. Put n equals to 3 now. A1 and A2 dila. A1 and A2 is given in the question, so just substitute. Less chances of this problem are been asked in the exams. Since it is a part of a syllabus, there is a add करून सांगला by mistake half part दिल ना ऐक नाही तुम्ही सांगत त्यांनी पहिला नोडो सांगितलं पासून if you are ahead of me first only I had written and kept because if you are already so that your efforts don't go waste तरी ऐकणार तो challenge extra गरम देणार आहे का हा त्यांना होय 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 तो त्यांना याला Oh. Huh? And that is swing. What side this side? Huh. From n equals to 4. Two kitla, A2 is 1, A3 is 2. don't stress too much on these problems like while learning. Sequence only hardly one, maybe one question, at least this question has not been asked in the exams. But anyways, you know, you know how to solve it. A5. So these are the values. Now last part, you have to find this. And put n as 2. A3 value कितने लो? 2. Till n equals to 5, we have to calculate. And last, n is equals to 5. So this is all about the sequence. Okay. Only the theory part I'll give and give. The main AP will can start in the next class. Only series, series I'll tell you. Now you know what is a sequence. Sequence is what when you put comma, A1, A2, A3, A4 up till AN. Series is the moment you add all those terms. Put a plus sign, it becomes a series. Any sequence, when all the terms of the sequence are added together, it becomes a series. Now special, now not now this is also a series where we had got no like minus half plus whatever 1/6 whatever values we had got last something 1. So the moment you start adding that will become a series. Now not all the series will be special ones, only particular ones are special. Okay, series with pattern, special some repeating pattern, they are called as progressions. No need of by hearting any theory. Just have to understand. Now, which are the two progressions I think I've had, no? 10th standard. Which are those two progressions? Arithmetic progression, AP and GP. GP I did not have. The other one is geometric. So these are the. So next class we'll start with the actual arithmetic progression. We'll stop here.